Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Brandon of Slingmods.com and today we have a belt tensioner for the Can-Am Spyder RT. Belt vibration is most noticeable when the engine is under load, such as when riding with the passenger, climbing a steep incline, or when pulling a trailer. Adding the stabilizer prolongs the life of the drive belt and increases the overall lifespan of the drivetrain components. This billet aluminum stabilizer reduces belt vibration by applying spring-loaded tension to the drive belt, and after riding with the RT belt stabilizer for extended periods of time, you'll notice that it reduces hand fatigue by minimizing vibration from the belt. So now follow me as I walk you through the installation process. Let's start by removing our left-hand side view mirror and disconnecting this plug. Now I made that look really easy because we have our magnetic mirror mounts already installed, but if you're still running the stock mirror mounts, you'll need to slightly push forward and up until the bottom clip comes out, then hit the mirror up with an open hand until it pops off the other two clips. And then just disconnect the plug. Now take a T30 Torx and remove the below mirror wind deflector. Then open your frunk and pop out this push pin so that you can remove this panel and these three bolts. Next, you can lift up your seat, remove this bolt, and take off this panel. Remove this push pin and this bolt, and be sure to keep track of where these two bolts go as they are smaller than the rest, and you will likely damage the panel if you try inserting the longer bolts into these holes. Now open your saddlebag door and remove these three bolts. Then lift off the front vent grille and slide that panel forward and off. Next, locate these two frame bolts and remove the left bolt only, and replace it with the supplied 8mm set screw and tighten it about halfway down. Now you can remove the bolt on the right, place one spacer over that hole and the other spacer around the set screw. Then place the RT idler over the two spacers and press down on the idler so that the plate sits flat on both spacers. And tighten down the right side bolt and washer first so that it's nice and snug. And then you can remove the set screw and replace it with the other bolt and washer. And before you tighten it all the way down, make sure the idler arm is parallel with the belt and that the roller is centered on the belt. Once aligned, tighten both bolts down firmly. Now check to make sure the arm moves up and down firmly on the belt before reinstalling all your panels in the reverse order you removed them. And in case you forgot, these two smaller bolts go here and here. Alright guys, well that's all there is to it. So if this product seems right for you, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest greatest mods for the Can-Am Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.